You are standing in a foreign country, the ocean on your left, the desert wind in the air, and suddenly you hear Indian music. You see the tricolor, you smell samosa, biryani, chai. That's when you realize you are not far from home. Yesterday, I walked into something special, Bharat Mela in Kuwait. As I stepped toward the entrance, the ocean was on my left side, waves hitting gently, but on my right side, India had arrived. Crowd gathering, families smiling, children running with flags. For a moment, I didn't feel like Kuwait. I felt like India, transported across borders. But what touched me the most was not the decoration, it was the emotion. The energy was different, you could feel it. People were not just attending a food festival, they were reconnecting with identity. When Indians work abroad, they sacrifice comfort, language, familiarity. Even like this remind us, we carry India within us. And then I saw something that made me stop walking. On the stage, traditional performances were happening. Music, dance, culture, and among the crowd, the Indian ambassador was present. The presence symbolized something powerful. This wasn't just entertainment, it was representation. Representations of millions of Indians working, building, contributing in the Gulf. As a hospitality professionals, the real magic was somewhere else. Food stalls, the aroma of freshly fried pakora, live dosa counters, spices rising in the air, from North Indian gravies to South Indian flavors, from street cycle chaat to rich Mughal dishes. Each stall was not just selling food, they were serving memories. And I observed something very important. Presentations, standards were impressive, queue management was organized, chefs were working under pressure but with discipline. And then I saw the chefs. The chefs were not just cooking, they were performing. Timing, coordination, heat control, customers' interactions. In a live event like this, there is no room for delay. This is what many young professionals don't understand. Even catering in GCC is intense. High volume, high expectations, zero excuses. But one personality stole everyone's attention. Working in GCC is not easy. Long shifts, shared accommodations, precious. But events like Bharat Mela remind us we are part of something bigger. We are ambassadors in our own way. And this made me think about something important. In India, food is daily life. In GCC, Indian food becomes pride. Standards change, expectations rise. Event like this proves that Indian cuisine can stand global competition. But to maintain this level, discipline is required. If you work in hospitality in GCC, learn from this event. Presentations matters, team cohesion is everything. Branding is personality, discipline builds trust. Whether you are a waiter or manager, you represent more than yourself. Bharat Mela was not just a festival, it was identity, pride, community. It reminded me why Indians succeed globally. Because wherever we go, we carry culture, we carry flavor, we carry resilience. If you are working in GCC, comment your city. If you are in India dreaming of GCC, tell me your goal. Subscribe for real hospitality insights from India and the Middle East, because this channel is not about type, it's about real growth.